Right guys, people lose money in the trading space because they don't understand three things. One of them is probabilities, the other one is timing, and the other one is patience. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 books that really helped me from understanding nothing from the trading space to becoming a millionaire in the trading space at 18, a multi-millionaire at 19, and I'm currently 23 and I'm still doing pretty well in the space. I'm going to explain to you exactly how I went from one side to another and which 3 books helped me for each of those topics. Now, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to already subscribe to the channel and like this video. If you don't know me yet, by the way, my name is Trading Wizard, and on this channel I share the reality of what the life of a day trader is instead of all of the nonsense you see online. Now, what I want you to understand is those 3 roadblocks are for most people the reason why they are not profitable. Okay, so let's start off with the first book, and the first book will be this one. It will be about probabilities. Most people don't understand that when you're looking at strategies, no strategy out there is 100% accurate, okay? So this means, let's say, for example, we have a strategy that works 9 out of 10 times. And that is a crazy amount, okay? That's number one. Let's say we have one that works 9 out of 10 times. One of the biggest problems is that people are going to approach the market with this strategy, and they don't understand that one loss out of the 10 can come the first time, it can come the second time, it can come the third time or the fourth time, or somewhere in the 10. What they do is, instead of seeing, hey, I understand the probabilities, they are seeing it as, hey, I just made a loss, so I suck, so I need to now change something in my strategy to become profitable again. I want you to understand, this book here helped me the most. It's called Fooled by Randomness, okay? The hidden role of chance in life and in the markets. In my opinion, one of the most important books if you want to understand probabilities in the markets. For me, this was a very, very, very big eye-opener. Why? Because every single time when I had a strategy, I thought, okay, I make a win, I make a win, I make a win, boom, loss. Instead of seeing it as, okay, I was just hit by probabilities, and again, when you're looking at most strategies, if you're doing well, 7 out of 10 times is already a very big aim, okay? This means that there will be 3 losses in the 10 somewhere. Again, these can be 3 in a row as well. The biggest problem is if you're constantly going to try to change something, you are basically making the probabilities worse. So one of the most important things when it comes down to testing is understanding these probabilities. Again, Fooled by Randomness really helped me. In my opinion, this is one of the best author about books as well, since he made 2 other books, in my opinion, that are pretty good. It's The Black Swan, in my opinion, one of the best books, and it's Anti-Fragile. Okay, I love this writer. Now, let's move on to the other one, and that is this one. A lot of people, they create biases in the markets, and this was me in the beginning as well. Most people who start with trading, they start with longing the markets because it simply just is the easiest to understand. Now, one of the biggest benefits you have as a trader is that you are not dependent on just longing the markets, but you have the opportunity to short the markets as well. When you're looking at investors have to wait a very long period in order to profit well from the markets. As a trader, it doesn't matter if the market goes in an uptrend, downtrend, or sideways, you can always benefit from the markets, okay? I'm a range trader myself, and why I chose range trading is because it is the most obvious form of trading when to spot in which cycle the markets are, okay? If you want to understand more about my approach to the markets, I have a free school below where you can learn everything about my strategy and my vision about the markets, okay? Now, my strategy would never be the same if I didn't read this book. This book for me was one of the biggest eye-openers after I lost $2.4 million in one day. Yes, I lost $2.4 million in one day. If you want to know more about that, just look up my name, Trading Wizard, on YouTube podcast, and you will see me talk about that loss for more than 2 hours, okay? Listen. The second leg down, one of the most important books when it comes down on shorting. Shorting, in my opinion, is one of the most important ways to approach the markets if you really want to make profit in the markets. We are currently in the start of September, and one of the funny things is when you're looking at the markets here, while everyone is waiting for the bull run to continue, me and the group, we already made quite some money shorting a 12% move all the way from BTC down. Okay, again, everyone is waiting in order to approach the new longs. If you understand how shorting works and if you understand the basic concepts behind shorting, you will have basically two bull markets. One, when the market goes up, and then you have an inverted bull market when the market goes down, since you can profit from this as well. Again, when it comes down to shorting, this is by far my favorite book. Okay, so don't forget to read this one as well. Now we go to the last one. And that is when it comes down to patience, okay? The hour between the dog and the wolf, yes? The risk-taking, gut feelings, and the biology of boom and bust. This basically explains to everything to you about why you behave in a certain way when you are in a trade. Every single time, once you enter a trade, you will almost become, I would say, a different human being. Now, in the beginning, you might think, yeah, no, it's just because the markets are down and I lost some money, so now I'm angry. Reading this book will make you understand why you feel in certain ways. Reading this book will make you understand, hey, my gut feeling isn't just some random feeling. It is basically a feeling that comes from a lot of, okay, I saw this and this and this and this before, so now I think that I can predict the markets, okay? By reading this, you will get a very, very big shift in your entire mindset towards yourself. When you're looking at trading, the easiest concept to understand, and this is something I always say, is trading is 80% emotions and 20% knowledge. And a lot of people are just focusing on the 20%. They make a fuck up and they immediately think, okay, my strategy is wrong. Well, what did we just learn? Most probably it was just a probability play and you didn't have the patience to sit it through. And the other side, most probably it wasn't the strategy, but it was your emotion that you couldn't handle to actually look at the trade in the right way. So for example, you took your trade out way too early, you maybe didn't enter at the right moment, so you just FOMO'd in. Again, this book will explain to you exactly why you behave in certain ways, what the do's and don'ts are when you are approaching the markets from an emotional perspective. Again, to sum it up, Fooled by Randomness, very important book. Then we have, when it comes down to shorting, especially now when I'm making this video, it's the beginning of September, what is considered one of the worst months for the markets, while October is considered one of the best months for the market. So this is basically for me always the most busy 2 months of the year. Why? Because I make a lot of money on shorting the markets in September, while I reallocate the money in longs for a potential October pump. Okay? So understanding this book, I would say this month is very, very, very important. And now we are going to the last one. And again, that is the hour between the dog and the wolf. Guys, I hope you all like this video. Again, if you want to work closer to me, you can always apply below. Besides this, if you like more of the reality of a day trader, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Ciao, ciao.